Okay, so we're using Google Sheets and we're going to create a to-do list. We're going to start it off in B5 and we're going to just write some tasks in column C. So let's start by going to Insert, Checkbox, and then copy that. I just did Control C. I'm going to go down, let's just do another 3 tasks. I'm going to paste it with Control V. And let's type in a few tasks here. So I'm going to grow a tree. I'm going to chop down a tree, maybe a different tree, right? A dead tree. I'm going to build a fire. And then I'm going to roast some s'mores. Now, if you're like me, when you're done with the task, you love to be able to check it off, see it get a little strike through on it, right? Feel like you're accomplishing something. So we're going to do that with conditional formatting. And we're going to apply this formatting to the range of C5 and then all the way down until you're done with the task. So let's do that by doing C5 and then a colon and then just the letter C. And if I hit my tab key to move out of that field, you can see that it highlighted everything in column C starting at row 5 and down to the end of where you had things typed. Right now it's just applying formatting if cell's not empty because that's a default choice. We're going to change that. Click that, go down to the bottom and do custom formula is. And now this box is waiting for a custom formula. So I left click it to put the cursor in it and I hit equals. Whenever you're typing a formula, even if it's in here, you start it with an equal sign. And you can see that the rectangle is surrounded by red. It means it's not ready yet, doesn't have valid formula. But what we want to do, and we'll just talk this through first, is if B5 is checked, we want C5 to be struck through. We're going to say if B5 equal to, and so now here's where a little bit of the magic of these checkboxes come in. If I go over and look at it and I click in here, it says false in the formula bar. If I check it, it says true. So that's what's going to drive this formula. We're going to say B5 is equal to true. Then don't do the default. We're going to do a custom format. So do the drop down. We're going to strike it through. We're also going to make it kind of gray. So it looks like it's going away. And we can test it before we even click done. So come over here. Put a check mark in this cell. That worked pretty well, right? Kind of cool. Let's do another one. Yeah, so here's your interactive checklist. Let's say that we're done. And if you want to add something else at the bottom, it should pick it up because that formatting contained the entire column after C5. We'll probably have to copy down checkbox. And let's click it. And it worked. So that's your interactive to-do list. Pretty easy to put together. Really satisfying to use. So have some fun with it. And if you like that tutorial, there's a lot of others just like it. If you subscribe to my channel in the lower right-hand corner, you'll see them as they come out. Thanks. Bye.